Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on an Audi A4. It's the B6 generation, and this one would be the same procedure from 2002 all the way to 2005. We're going to show you how to replace the AC condenser. So first you need to remove the bumper. So what you need to do, you need to remove the headlights first. We have the videos on our channel how to remove the left and the right headlight. Click on the picture to watch the video. And now right there on the side, let me show you right there in the corner, there is 3 bolts with 3 nuts with a 10mm socket. We got those loose already, so we can save you some time. Those are the nuts. We need to take these ones off. There is 3 on the right side, and also there is 3 on the left side as well, right there. It's kinda hard to see. Okay, right there. So make sure that you take these ones off. Okay, next thing that we need to do, where the fog lights are on the front, right there, we need to take this little grill off on the left and the right side. The one on the right side, ours is broken. That's where the bumper is hidden. That's why we need to replace it. You need to take this grill off. Let me show you on the left side how you do it. There is 3 clips on the bottom, I think. You just pull them up. 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. It comes right off. Okay, next thing, right where those inserts for the fog lights are, underneath with a, I think it's a 6 Allen wrench, right there, there is 1 big bolt. So we need to take this one off. One, there is one on the left side, and there is one right here on the right side. You don't need to take them off all the way, you just need to get them loose. And then right there on the side we need to pull the trim, because there is a bracket right there, so you just pull it out. On the back usually they have 1 screw right there, but ours is not there anymore. And okay, after you get those 2 bolts loose quite a bit, you don't need to take them off. The bumper comes right off, right there. Okay, those are the bolts we were talking about right there. You need to get them loose to the point that it doesn't show right there, because this is where the nut is. So if it gets stuck here, you cannot pull the bumper out of it. And now you need to remove, there is 1 bolt here on that plastic piece and 1 right there. This one is with T20 socket, and also, and now you just pull it out of there. There is 1 plastic piece like that on the other side, so it has 1 bolt on top and 1 bolt on the bottom, the same like on the left side. And then we're going to pull that plastic off again. It has a clip here, so you pull it, and now this is the condenser right here. What we need to do, there is 1 more right there, that's for the power steering. We need to remove that bolt, that screw with a T20 again, and you just pull it a little bit on the side, not to be in the way. And now we go, let me show you, we go to the passenger side of the car, the right side, and there is 1 bolt for the hose, that's with T45 socket. And make sure that you don't have any Freon in the system, because otherwise you're gonna breathe that stuff and it's not very healthy. So what you need to do, now you go to the other side of the car, which is the driver's side, and now here on the bottom it's the other hose, right there, with the same socket, T45. You need to take this one off. This one was pretty tight. Okay, we just took it off, and now you push down and the hose come unloose. And now what we need to do is we need to remove these 4 bolts right here. Okay, the 2 bolts on the right side, that's with T30. Audi likes to use that T stuff, the star like. And that's the last one there. Okay, now you need to pull the power steering a little bit, pull it out of the way, and the only thing left now is just to remove the wire. So that's how you remove the AC condenser on Audi A4 B6. Thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.